Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change username on Snapchat. For example, if you want to change your username so that it might look better. So if you want to do that on your Snapchat, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. In settings, you have to go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on that, and you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. In App Store, you have to simply search for the Snapchat app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, you have to open the Snapchat app. And here, what you have to do, you have to simply click on that profile section, and here you will find the option of settings. So in settings, you will find all the details like your email, passwords, and other thing. If you want to change your username, then you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to click on change username, and here it is written your username name might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future, which means if you change your username, then if it will be allotted to anyone in future, so you have to make sure about that before changing that. You will not be able to get that username again. Moreover, you can also change your username once in a year. So if you change your username, then you will not be able to change in 1 year. So you have to make sure about that. After that, you can simply click on continue, and you can simply select any username. If it is available, then your username will be changed to that username. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.